Good all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Preppers. So for this video, South Africa secured a 26 billion rand loan from the World Bank. So we all know the ANC government. The first question that comes to mind is who's gonna press the buttons and who's gonna get the money. Ish. Because 26 billion rand, that's I think it's $1.5 billion. That's a lot of money coming the Cauda's way. So let's quickly see what the World Bank says regarding this. The bank said its program will enhance energy security, increasing port and rail volumes, and support the shift to a low-carbon economy. Our ongoing partnership with the World Bank will assist us to move forward with greater speed on the reforms vital to transforming our infrastructural landscape, said Finance Minister Enoch in his statement. The loan will make available funds for state-owned Eskom to bolster the grid for renewable generation and Transnet. So renewable energy, okay. South Africa's port and rail company to increase freight and transport capacity. Now we know Transnet is broken. Broken. There's parts where there's no rails left. We've got no more train stations. So anyway, so the article goes on to say the financing will support government plans to add 3,500 megawatts of renewable energy capacity by March 2027. Yeah, like the ANC can keep a deadline, eh? Along with private investment, with the potential to add 200 kilometers of new transmission lines, according to a fact sheet on the development policy loan. Now, I read an article quite interesting. I just want to stop here quickly. Apparently, they want to put up these solar panels somewhere in the middle of nowhere. And then they want to build new transmission lines of 200 kilometers in the middle of nowhere. Okay? And there's a conspiracy theory going around that Eskom will use Land Expropriation Act to take farms in order to build this 200 kilometers transmission lines. That's what I heard. So the article goes on to say Transnet reforms are expected to increase rail network capacity and enable the entry of private operators. I just want to read that again. Transnet reforms are expected. Ladies and gentlemen, the only reform we know in South Africa is fucking BEE. They're going to reform nothing. They're going to reform $1.5 billion into the Cauda's pockets. That's what they're going to reform. Nothing is going to be fixed and reformed in South Africa. Yeah, I don't know what the World Bank is thinking. They're thinking, yes, they're gonna repossess. I'm not sure what they're gonna repossess. Maybe the ports in South Africa. The article goes off and it stops here. South Africa's microeconomic framework is considered adequate for the operation, the bank said. The government remains committed to prudent fiscal policies and structural reforms. Ladies and gentlemen, the ANC government, the government of national unity, does not know about the reform and fixing infrastructure. They don't even know how to maintain infrastructure, let alone build new infrastructure. So, again, Parliament making decisions on behalf of South Africans, we don't need this. What we need is for corruption to stop. What we need is for BEE to stop. What we need is for the economy to grow. What we need, in effect, is for government to get out of the fucking way so South African can be fixed and grown. We don't have a financial problem. We have a parliament problem in South Africa. We have a government that doesn't care about its people. 26 billion rand loan, for what? They're going to steal this. I bet you, the person pressing the button There are only going to be certain individuals that are going to benefit from this $1.5 billion loan. And the World Bank is giving it to them, knowing that they are one of the most corrupt governments in the world. Anyway, drop your comments. Please like, share and subscribe. And God bless.